In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Packs in Coda.io. Installing these packs can significantly enhance your documents by integrating additional features and functionality, streamlining your workflow, and bringing useful data and tools right where you need them. So, let's dive in and get started on the process of installing Google Packs. First, you'll want to open the specific Coda document where you'd like to install the pack. It's crucial that you have edit access to this document because you'll be making changes and integrating new tools. Once you have that access verified, you're ready to proceed. Next, locate the Insert button. In most instances, you'll find this button in the upper right area of your document's toolbar. Clicking on it will open a side panel with a variety of options for enhancing your document. Within this side panel, direct your attention to the Packs tab or menu item. This is where you'll find all available packs that you can integrate into your document. If you're not sure which pack you need, feel free to explore through the categories available. Alternatively, if you already have a specific pack in mind, simply use the search function to find it by name. This is a handy feature that saves time, especially when you know precisely what you're looking for. Once you've found the pack you're interested in, click on it. This action will typically present you with an option to Add to Dock. If you're dealing with a paid pack that you haven't purchased yet, you might see a Try It option instead. This allows you to test the pack before committing to a purchase, a useful feature if you're still evaluating its benefits to your workflow. Sometimes, a pack may require you to authenticate or connect it to other services like Google Calendar, Gmail, or Slack. If this is the case, a prompt will guide you through the process of authorizing these connections. It's important to carefully follow these prompts to ensure the pack is correctly integrated and can function with the needed permissions. And there you have it, a straightforward way to install Google Packs into your specific Coda.io document. By following these steps, you can start experiencing the enhanced capabilities these packs offer, aiding in your productivity and collaboration efforts. Whether you're organizing your schedule, managing emails directly within your document, or leveraging data from other platforms, having the right packs installed can make a world of difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Coda experience.